So you would like to start blogging. Well, let me help you. Through this short and fairly simple tutorial, we'll start a blog, and within the next 5 or 10 minutes you will have one created and you'll be ready to get started. So since Blogger is hosted by Google, let's start with that homepage. And once you're here, let's go to More. Click on that little arrow till you get to the drop-down menu and click on Blogger. That'll take you to the Blogger sign-up page. And if you have a Gmail account with Google already, you can sign in using your email and your password. If you don't, just come over to this little orange tab up here where it says sign up. You can click on that and it will take you to a Google account sign up page. Now, signing up for a Google account just gives you access to all of the Google services that is offered. And we can start by filling in our name. And you would like a username. And that will give you a Gmail account address as well, and a password. I like to use something that I will remember fairly easily and confirm that. It asks you for a birthday, and you can put in, oh, my passwords don't match, that's odd. Well, let's try this again. See if that works. Yep, that seemed to. So birthday, put in a birthday. It doesn't necessarily have to be yours, it just has to be a date. I'm sure Google won't send me a birthday card, so they don't really need to know. Gender, I am female. We'll let them know that. Now, something that's new with Google is this mobile phone number. They like to verify your account and won't let you set up a Google account without this verification code. So if you've got a mobile phone number, they ask you to put it in. If you leave it blank, it'll take you to another page asking for a phone number. So just for convenience sake, what's going on? Let's just add, there we go. And I've done this before, so I'll just add that. A current email address. I'm just going to put another email address so that if I do forget my password, Google can get a hold of me and let me know. I don't want Google as my default homepage, and I'm going to prove that I'm not a robot. Now, if you have trouble seeing the code when you're doing this, you can just use this little refresh button or get a new challenge button, and it will come up with a couple of different words for you, or combination of word and numbers, but you just have to copy it into this little box. Location, I'm from Canada. However, if you're not, you can just scroll through this list of different countries and add yours in. And if you're not from Canada, welcome to our blog sign up tutorial. I agree to the Google terms of service, but I would rather not have them use my account information. Once I'm all done that, I can just scroll down to this next step button, click on that, and see here it does want me to verify my account with my mobile number. I'm going to add the 1 there. They will send me a text message, and I guess if you don't have text messaging, you can always ask to get a voice call. I'm going to continue, and they should be sending me a verification code here shortly. It does say that it can take up to 15 minutes, but I've already got mine, so here we go. And that was fairly quick. Press the continue button. And here's my profile page. Now, just for this tutorial, I want to get you started blogging, so we'll actually come back to this in step 2, but for now, let's just press next step. And it says welcome. It gives me my new email address, but I would really like to just get to Blogger. And it's the welcome to Blogger page. They would like me to confirm my profile, my email, and I'm just going to scroll down until I get to this continue to Blogger button. Click on that. And here I've got the list of my blogs and a reading list. Now we can come back to this, but I really just want to get started blogging, so click on new blog. And here is where I can create my blog. Now the first thing you want to do is create a title of the blog that you're starting. Now, according to Mitch Joel, who is the author of the blog twistimage.com, he encourages us to pick a great name. It can be funny, quirky, or even a play on an existing meme. But figure out a relevant, cool, and timely name for your blog. So I am going to call my blog Not Just a Librarian, and I'm going to see if I can use that at and my blog address is available. So if people want to find me, they would just type in that .blogspot.com, and then they would get my title of my blog. And here's my template, which is really just the background of my blog. And you have lots of different choices here, but we can customize that later. I'm just going to pick something fairly simple just to get us started. Pick your template, create a blog. And we'll give Google a few seconds here. And my blog has been created and I can start posting. So you can do this a couple of ways. You can click on this start posting link here, or you can go to the orange tab with the pencil to create a new post. Either way, it'll take you to the same page. Since I'm here, I'm going to click on my little pencil. It's loading. And here we go. Here's my Not Just a Librarian blog. And I want to create a new post. It can be fairly simple, your first post. You can give a title like welcome or hello even. And once you've given it a title, you can start composing. And it might be as simple as welcome to my new blog. I am very excited to begin this journey into learning with you. I look forward to future dialogue and collaboration. Now once I'm finished, I have a couple of different options. I can save it and then close it and publish it later. I can preview it, which will let me take a look at what that will actually look like. So let's just do that really quick. And that's what it would look like. So I can close it. I like how that looks. You can also change the font and bold and that kind of thing, but I would like to publish it. So hit the publish button. I can put it out there. I guess I have to pick one. My friends. And there I go. There's my first blog. The nice thing with Blogger is you can go to your draft, you can edit it, you can view it, you can share it, or you can just even go back and delete it. So if I want to take a look at what it looks like, I can go with a view blog, and this is what everybody else would see. And there you go. All right. Well, thank you so much for sticking with me through this tutorial. I hope that setting up your blog went fairly smooth. And if you would like to start posting, that's awesome. There's some suggestions for posting underneath this video. And then if you would like to go into step 2, or the next stage of blogging, which is all about making changes, please join me then. But thank you so much, and I hope that you found this tutorial really helpful.